Welcome back. Before we jump into today's powerful episode, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join our community, because this video might be the turning point that helps you change your life, boost your confidence, and unlock your best self. Today, we're diving into the secrets of motivation, how it shapes your confidence, your work, your habits, your relationships, and even your future. So get comfortable. This is for you. 1. Motivation and self-esteem. Motivation does more than push you to act. It helps you see your life clearly. When you're motivated, you start understanding where you are, where you want to go, and what needs to change. As progress starts happening, your self-esteem rises naturally. You feel stronger. You feel capable. You start seeing opportunities instead of obstacles. Motivation also gives you courage. The courage to try new things, to chase dreams you once ignored, and to step into the person you truly want to become. The more positive action you take, the more your mindset shifts from negative to hopeful. Motivation becomes the fuel that keeps you moving. 2. Motivation at work. Let's be real. Staying productive at work isn't always easy, but motivation grows when your job gives you purpose, growth, and possibilities. If your role feels meaningful, or if you see a future in it, like a promotion, skill advancement, or simply mastering something, you naturally give more energy. And the secret? Believing in yourself. Even when a task feels overwhelming, confidence becomes your engine. When you work harder, you stand out. You inspire others. Your effort becomes visible, and effort is often rewarded. 3. Motivation during addiction recovery. Recovery depends heavily on motivation, especially the internal kind. To stay clean, a person must want to stay clean. People often fight addiction to protect their family, regain stability, or rebuild their life. But true motivation comes from accepting the truth, facing the pain without hiding behind substances, and choosing to take control again. Support helps: family, friends, hobbies, art, or new passions. These healthy replacements become the new fuel until the person can stand on their own again. 4. Motivation to break any addiction. No matter the addiction, drugs, gambling, the internet, anything, the journey starts with one thing: a decision that you want to change. External pressure doesn't work. Your motivation has to come from within, supported by those who care about you. Replacing bad habits with positive activities, therapy, or community support makes the process stronger. Motivation becomes the shield that protects you from slipping back. 5. How to motivate yourself. Motivating yourself is one of the hardest things you'll ever do, but the most rewarding. It starts with self-respect, accepting who you are and believing you deserve better. Sometimes you may need counseling. Sometimes you just need to rediscover something you're passionate about. The key is to avoid negativity from others and from yourself. Surround your mind with positive thoughts, turn failures into lessons, and keep your goals clear. Self-motivation isn't instant. It's built step by step, but every small win becomes proof that you can do even better. 6. How to motivate others. Motivating others requires empathy and communication. It's not what you say, it's how you say it. Use encouragement, not pressure. Listen before you speak. Make them feel understood, not judged. People grow when they feel supported, not criticized. Your positivity becomes a powerful influence. 7. Motivation and saving money. Most people save money because of fear. Fear of unexpected emergencies or losing necessities. But long-term saving builds stability, freedom, and peace of mind. You can save for dreams, like a new home or a vacation. Or you can save for the future, to create comfort and security when you're older. Motivation grows when you imagine what your life could look like because you prepared. 8. Motivation to work as a team. Great teams need leadership, not dictatorship. To motivate a team, communicate clearly, listen actively, keep everyone on track, create small task-based activities. Encourage ideas and involvement. A motivated leader creates a motivated team, and a motivated team accomplishes anything. 9. Motivation in marriage. People marry and stay married for love, connection, and shared dreams. Small things like a smile, a supportive word, or a quiet moment together can remind you why your partner matters. But outside opinions, friends, family, society shouldn't control your decisions. Marriage should be motivated by truth, love, and your own heart. 10. Motivation to stay clean and organized. Cleanliness reflects who you are. A clean home, workplace, or appearance sends a message: I care about myself. A messy environment can drag down your mood and confidence, but a clean, organized space motivates you to do better, feel better, and succeed more. 11. Motivation to eat healthy. Healthy eating starts with self-love. Yes, healthy food can cost more, but in the long run, it saves you from illness, depression, and low energy. Your family also depends on your health. What you eat affects your mood, your lifespan, and your ability to enjoy life. Think long-term. Your future self will thank you. 12. Motivation for a fun workday. Fun at work starts with your mindset. Sleep well. Eat breakfast. Stay positive. Let negativity slide off your shoulders. A little laughter, a good conversation, or even a good playlist can transform your entire day. Good energy brings good results. 13. Motivation to be a coach or leader. Being a coach requires communication, patience, structure, and constant learning. Every player is different. Some need firmness, others need kindness. The more you understand people, the better you motivate them. Great coaches inspire, support, and help people become their best self. 14. How motivation energizes people. To energize others, you must be energized yourself. Passion is contagious. Excitement is contagious. Belief is contagious. People are motivated when their basic needs are respected, like safety, belonging, and appreciation. When people feel valued, they push themselves higher. 15. How to build motivation passively. Sometimes motivation spreads without effort, through respect, personality, or knowledge. People listen to those they admire, trust, or learn from. You motivate others simply by being someone worth listening to. 16. How to build motivation actively. Active motivation requires clear communication, kind words, honest guidance, emotional support, patience, and understanding. Motivation works best when it's sincere and respectful. 17. Motivation and art. Creativity needs inspiration. To unlock it, you must free your mind. Write nonsense, sketch freely, walk outside, observe life. Fun is fuel. Memories are fuel. Childlike joy is fuel. The more you enjoy life, the better your art becomes. 18. Motivation and music. Music is one of the strongest motivational forces on earth. It changes your mood, energy, and mindset instantly. It pushes you to dream, to act, to heal, and to move. Music is emotion, raw, powerful, and life-changing. 19. Using motivation in a letter. To motivate someone through a letter, start by connecting. Share your feelings honestly, explain your reasons, use clear, kind words. Stay respectful, stay supportive. Words matter, especially when written. 20. Where to find motivation books. Motivation is everywhere. Libraries, bookstores, online shops. Whatever subject you need inspiration in, there's a book for it. You don't need something expensive, you just need something meaningful. 21. What motivation really is. Motivation is the inner energy that keeps you moving. It helps you grow, dream, take risks, and step outside your comfort zone. Self-motivation is the strongest form. It's personal, powerful, and lasting. And when you combine inner motivation with support from others, nothing can stop you. 22. Motivation for employees. Different people need different kinds of motivation. Some need encouragement, some need constructive feedback, some need challenges, some need appreciation. When employees feel valued, they give their best. If this video inspired you even a little, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future episodes that will help you grow, level up your mindset, and become your best self. Thanks for watching, and remember, motivation starts with you.